Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Fancy Tech. The reason why ancient humans were able to climb up the food chain and were able to become hunters instead of prey was because of the development of tools which allowed them to accomplish tasks that the human bodies were incapable of. We use tools to make our daily tasks easier, and to get the job done the first time, allowing us to save time, money, and avoid physical injury. With rapid advancements in manufacturing and technology, there are always new tools coming on the market that make our lives a lot more comfortable. Here are some that you need to catch up on. Number 1. The Multi-Tool Survival Hammer. You all know the infamous Swiss knife, right? A single multi-tool to rule all other tools. The pocket knife that made you feel invincible as a child, and made you feel as if you can conquer any terrain just by the virtue of having it in your pocket. Well, this multi-tool survival hammer is the same thing. Only it looks like the mother of all other tools. This survival hammer features 12 tools built into one. You can go for one that boasts more features, but having too many gadgets in a single setup can be plain annoying. This is because it makes it difficult to manage each individual tool, hence making the overall device a little bit less effective. Most multi-tool hammers typically weigh 1 pound and are about 7 inches long, so it is easy to throw them in your backpack when heading out into the wilderness for a hike or camping trip. Besides the hammer, you can expect other tools like pliers, a wire cutter, an axe, a knife, bottle opener, file, screwdriver, hex wrench, fish descaler, and a wood saw. The multi-tool also comes along with a protective sheath that attaches to your belt. Number 2 is the GPCA Carabiner. While camping, you're always looking for the right gadgets to pack on an adventure. Carabiners have been a go-to choice for many years because of their strength and small footprint. GPCA is the holy grail of all carabiners. This patented multi-tool is a quick and easy way to increase utility and keep a minimalist approach. Carved from a solid block of fine titanium, steel, and aluminum, this carabiner boasts incredible craftsmanship. The compact box cutter is the perfect knife to cut any annoying tags or packing tape on a new package. Holding up to 200 pounds, you can be assured your food will be safe from bears while camping in the wilderness. A secret compartment is hidden in the lock ring to store extra flint for a time in need. Need to pull a nail out of an abandoned house? This carabiner provides a much leverage as a compact pry bar, providing the essential tools as well, such as a flathead screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, a bottle opener. The GPCA Carabiner is a must-have gadget to take anywhere you go. Number 3 is a multi-tool card. This one is the coolest multi-tool we have come across during our search. This tool is the exact shape and size of a standard credit card, so it can easily sit inside your wallet to tag along with you wherever you go. Different variations of this multi-tool feature 12 to 37 tools that are integrated into a single stainless steel card. You also get a keychain with some of these cards, but we wouldn't recommend using it if it features a knife, edge, or saw blade. The tools that are cut into these cards usually include a knife edge, saw blade, straight and triangular rulers, nail puller, cable bender, multiple screwdrivers, can opener, box opener, bottle opener, cell phone stand, and hex wrenches, and so much more. These multi-tool cards also don't rust, bend, or dull over time, and are just the coolest little companion to have in your wallet. Number 4 is the Leatherman Tread Tempo LT. Never having enough space or always forgetting your multi-tool when it is most needed is disheartening, because you know you had the perfect tool sitting on your nightstand at home that would get you through the task at hand. The Leatherman Tread Tempo LT Multi-Tool solves that issue. Having a gadget strapped to your wrist that boasts 28 tools in one is a lifesaver, and to mention, is also a premium Swiss-made watch. This stylish watch is made out of 17.4 stainless steel, so it will never rust or corrode anywhere you plan on using it. Coming in 2 colors, raw stainless or black, you can accessorize this multi-tool to fit any outfit. Some great tools it offers are a strap cutter, oxygen tank wrench, carbide glass breaker, SIM card tool, standard box wrenches, screwdriver and Torx bits, and many, many more. With its simple design, the Leatherman Tread Tempo LT is fully customizable, which allows you to choose the desired tools you want strapped to you at all times. At number 5 is the SnowFlake Multi-Tool. The last multi-tool on our list. It's small, it's lightweight, and you know you can throw it in your backpack or use it as a keychain pendant. Different variations of this product feature up to 18 tools incorporated into a single snowflake. These multi-tool snowflakes are casted using stainless steel, which makes them very durable and rust-free. It can do anything from opening your favorite beer bottle to a new package from Amazon or changing batteries in your favorite toy. A standard SnowFlake multi-tool weighs around 3.2 ounces and has a flathead screwdriver, 2 different size Phillips bits, 3 different size Allen keys, a box cutter, bottle opener, keyring hole, and different size wrenches. All that for an average price of $6, which is a great deal. Subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss more videos on emerging tool technology and much more. Take care.